rice flour ghee patri. This is very tasty dish. This we can make for breakfast or even for tea time snack. Very tasty and yummy ghee patri. Now let us start. I have taken 2 cups of roasted rice flour. For that, now I am taking 3 cups of water. In a saucepan, add 3 cups of water and add salt as per your taste, and also add 1 tablespoon of ghee. This will give a good flavor to the patri. Let it boil. Meanwhile, let us make ready the coconut. I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. This we have to just crush. Add to the mixer grinder and put it in the pulse mode and just crush this and keep it ready. The water has started boiling. Now let us start adding the rice flour. Now I am adding 2 cups of rice flour to this. Slowly and carefully we have to just mix this. The flame should be in low medium heat now. For 1 cup of rice flour, we have to take 1.5 cups of water. I have taken 2 cups of rice flour, so I am using 3 cups of water here. Now meanwhile, let us take a wide plate, keep a kitchen towel or a napkin underneath so that the plate will not move while kneading. Now add the dough. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. This will help from not breaking, and also this will make the dough very soft. So it's very hot now. Keep little water beside so that we can make wet our hands. Slowly we have to knead this. It's really very hot. Now let us add the crushed coconut and cumin seeds mixture. And also we have to add 1 teaspoon of black seeds or kalonji to this. This will give a good taste and also good flavor to the patri. But this is optional. If you don't have the kalonji, you can add even cumin seeds. But we have already added the cumin seeds in the coconut. Now knead well. I am kneading this for about 10 minutes. We have to knead thoroughly. Now let us make the dough into 2 portions. Now take one ball and keep it in the working surface. Now sprinkle little maida to this so that it will not stick to the surface. Now start rolling this to a round shape or oval shape, any shape you can roll this. This should be little thicker. Now take a mold. You can use any mold, even cookies cutter or glass or bowl, to make the round shape. Now the same way we have to make ready all the patris. Now this is done. Let us start frying this. In a pan, add oil. You have to add enough oil. We are going to deep fry these patris. Now when the oil is heated, slowly one by one we have to add the patris to this. You should not hurry turning it over to the other side. We have to wait till one side becomes golden brown in color. Now when one side is done, just slowly turn it over to the other side. These patris will not absorb more oil. Children would like to have this. You can give even for lunch. The tiffin box we can give for children. Very tasty ghee patri. This we can make instantly with the rice flour. This is my second batch. Even for parties we can make this ghee patri, or for iftar also we can make this. The third batch I have added now. You can see this is really very appetizing and very colorful. At the same time, this is very tasty too. This do not need any curry also. We can have less. I like that. Ghee patri is ready. Please do all try this and give the feedback. Thanks for watching.